Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we saw the topics of Maven which we are going to cover in upcoming classes. But before proceeding with the Hibernate, we should know what is Maven project because that's the way we create projects and maintain it further. So what is Maven project, how to build, that is more important before we start this Hibernate framework. So for that we will refer the official website of Maven which tells us that what is Maven. Well, by the way, Maven is a Apache software and it is a software project management tool. So I can take some documents from there. So it's a project management tool. That's one of the big thing about it, and it works on project object model. There it is, based on the concept of project object model, which stands for POM. So that's what it do. It simplifies lots of stuffs that we will definitely see how to do that. And in one line, they have explained what Maven project can do for us. So Maven can manage a project's build, reporting, and documentation from a central piece of information. There's a good website over there which is Maven repository. You can easily search that out, Maven repository. So this is one of the widely used, centralized. It's a centralized repository which is widely used throughout the, across the world. If you need any library which you think you want to use in your project, just over this site and download it. Let's say we are going to connect with MySQL database. So search, it will give you lots of options. Click on that. Which version? Okay, let's suppose this version. So click on that, and there is like multiple options, and there you can see the files, which will give you a jar file. So you can use that file and use it accordingly. But that we will use later. But for now, let's focus on what is Maven. So yeah, Maven is a project management tool, and what does it do? It manages a project's build, reporting, and plus documentation as well. So we will see all these things all together when we create our own Maven project by using what? Eclipse. So first thing is, if you want to create any Maven project, yep, requirements are same. You should have JDK, you should have Eclipse, and yep, we have all these things together. We set up everything from scratch. Now we need to create this Maven project in Eclipse. Create Maven project. That's the whole idea. But later we'll do that. First of all, you have to understand what is Maven. Okay, so let's go back to documentation and let's see what is Maven. And here we have some objectives of Maven. So Maven's objective is to make build process easy, providing a uniform build system. It provides quality project information and encouraging better or best development practices. So yep, that's why we need to use Maven in our projects, and that's one of the widely used tool or software which you can do or which you can use to write programming, build your project. So that was just an intro about Maven thing. What is Maven, from where it is originated, and what's the purpose of having Maven project in your Eclipse. In next video, we will set up and create a Maven project, and later we will configure that Maven project as per the Hibernate needs. So that's it for this video, guys. Let's meet in next video and try to create a Maven project by using Eclipse. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.